If you want to have your floating keyboard or you want to disable your floating keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do. So as you see, I have it enabled now. So we have to open up our settings. Then we have to scroll down to our General Management tab and find your mode. Yeah, find your Samsung keyboard settings, of course, and find your mode here. So you'll see two switches for the portrait view and for the landscape view. So for example, if you've chosen a floating keyboard on your portrait view, when you're using your portrait view, you're gonna have your floating keyboard, right? And that's what you're going to have. That's how it works. When you're done with it and you don't want to have it anymore, open up your mode once again, as I just showed you, and choose your standard keyboard. Now, if we're gonna try and open everything up, we're gonna have our standard keyboard. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.